This car goes 1000 kilometers on a full tank of fuel, yet sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 8 seconds and has a top speed of 238 kilometers per hour. And you simply swipe to unlock the car. So of course it's a German car. It costs rupees 97.56 lakhs on road Mumbai. But there is no seat ventilation and no media controls or screens at the rear. Instead you get acres of space here with soft pillows, soft closed doors, AC vents that are digitally controlled, and not one, not two, but 3 screens at the front with a selfie camera and speakers in the front seats. I'm talking about this, the Mercedes E-Class diesel, the E220D. It's the only diesel car in the segment now and accelerates briskly thanks to 440 Newton meters of torque. And it's far better than the 5 Series and thus sells more even after being much more expensive. But would you rather get the GLC instead?